And yes, oh yes, this is our Sunday Sweet Sunday episode. Kaya ayan, naka-spaghetti strap na naman in crimson red
Ayaw mo
ang
ba?
aking co-host.
You
This
don't
is Awad
like?
Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex
This is the
Brosas.
Kitty Show, ang Tarian at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. So, Pilar Pilapil
Ay!
Clone,
My
ano ang masasabi
God!
mo sa chika ni Kuya Dick Paulate na kung saan dumato tayo sa press con ng papadating na pelikulang Mudrasta na ipapalabas sa po sa August 20 sa mga sinihan na nagitla siya sa paghalik sa kanya ni Tonton Gutierrez. What say you, Mare? Nandun ka.
Well, his shock was inevitable.
Mhm.
Because, di ba, inexplain naman niya
Oo.
that it was not part of the script.
Yes.
He was referring to an MMK
Episode.
episode.
Kung saan sila unang nagtambal ni
Mm-mm.
Tonton Gutierrez na pinagmatang wristwatch.
Oo. And that scene was brought up during the interview because
Mm.
parang napansin nila na walang Roderick never had any kissing scene
Oo.
with any guy sa mga films niya.
Kasi po, ako yung nag-urirat sa tanong sa kanya na,
Diba?
Kuya Dick, dahil diba dito ang role mo, Corrida, Kula Sisi,
Mm-mm.
ganyan. Meron ba kayong kissing scene
Mm-mm.
ni Tonton Gutierrez? Dahil syempre, diba, sabi niya, ang paliwanag niya na sa lahat ng mga pelikulang ginagawa niya, hindi niya gustong lagyan ng ganung level.
Yeah.
Kasi nga gusto niya, pati mga bata, makapanood.
Makapanood.
So for him, that surprise smack
Mm-mm.
sa lips na hindi sa kanya sinabi
Mm-mm.
ni kasi 'di ba correct me if I'm wrong, Mare, ang direction sa kanya lang ni the late Wendy Ramos
Mm-mm.
was akala niya hindi na makakadalo yung character ni Tonton Gutierrez sa birthday party niya.
Yeah.
Tapos nagkakanta-kantahan na ng happy birthday.
Oo.
Tapos biglang pagbukas ng pinto, lo and behold, ang lalaking pinakamamahal niya, andyan. Tapos biglang hihilig lang siya sa dibdib. At dapat, diba, contained lang yung pag-iyak, hindi
Yeah.
exage. Nabigla siyang in-smack sa lips ni Tonton at gustong-gusto na capture ng camera yung expression niya ng pagkabigla.
Yeah.
And because of that drama anthology, Roderick was able to nail an Asian Awards trophy for Best Actor.
Sa TV yun, di ba?
Oo, sa TV
Oo, sa
award.
TV.
Pero Asia na, all
Oo.
over Asia yun.
Yeah.
Yun yung parang equivalent ng mga pinapanalo na Georgie Santamaria ngayon.
Yeah, oo.
Yung mga Asian Awards.
Tsaka recently tama ba? Si Daniel Padilla nanalo din
Oo.
eh.
Pero I think sa kanila parang
Botohan naman eh.
Oo, botohan. Pero kay Roderick talaga, yung awards
Oo.
mismo, yung may mga nominees.
Parang si Jody Santa
Oo,
Maria.
yung kay Jody. Yung may same level sa halos nung kay Jody.
Yeah.
Kasi ang maganda pa doon, ang bongga lang kasi parang, isa si Kuya Roderick na nanalo ng Asian Awards for Best Actor.
Mm-mm.
Alam ko not once but twice siyang nanalo.
Yeah.
Tapos ang maganda pa doon, when we asked Tonton, how does he feel, di ba, na siya ang leading man, he was like very flattered
Yeah.
by the whole idea.
Kasi Roderick was given the leeway to choose
freebie, oo.
the leading man he wanted to be in this film due to sa Mudrasta.
Oo.
And easily, he chose
Walang patumpik-tumpik.
Tonton Gutierrez because sabi niya, he's very easy to deal with. Walang kaarte-arte, di ba? Pag sinabing ganito, ganon. Oh, he does that. He does everything to make his character alive and natural.
And ang maganda pa sa kwento ni Kuya Dick was, Tonton gives an extra mile. May mga ginagawa kay Tonton na hindi na papag-usapan.
Oo.
Pero pag ginawa niya,
Yung
mas lalong
parang
gumaganda yung
impromptu
eksena.
acting,
di
di
ba?
ba? Oo.
Mas lalong nagiging maganda yung mga eksena.
Oo, di ba? Meron siyang ganun daw
Oo.
na people don't know because
Oo.
they've not worked with Tonton.
Oo.
Tsaka si
And
Tonton, through the years,
Gwapo pa rin.
napakagaling. Tsaka gwapo.
Oo. He's one of the better, one of the seasoned actors na talagang as he ages, parang he's like wine.
Oo.
Pahusay ng
Oo,
pahusay.
pahusay ng pahusay.
The full trailer was presented, diba, when it was first shown sa Facebook, 24 hours after it was first shown sa Facebook, naka 2 million views na.
Yeah.
And as of this conversation, I think it had reached more than 4 million views already.
Mm-mm.
So kami po tuwang-tuwa. Sana po itong mga nanonood, nag-review, nag-share sa Facebook, sumugod po tayo sa mga sino. What can you say about the trailer, Mare?
Ay ano, in ano, in a Roderick fashion, talagang
Hmm. In
nakakatawa
all
siya.
honesty, we are
Oo.
not pulling your legs.
Alam mo, I wanted to ask lang something nung ano, eh, kaso ay, last question na pala,
What
ang
was the question you wanted to
bilis-bilis.
ask?
Ha? I
I'm
wanted
sure nanonood si Kuya Dick. Kuya Dick, pakinggan mo 'tong question ni Alex Brosas at sana 'pag nakita tayo in the nearest future pakisagot.
oh my God!
Go! Ano yung question mo dapat?
Kasi this is an obvious ano, obvious comic take of
Of
Madrasta,
Ate
'di
Shawi.
ba, kay Ate Shawi, 'di
Hmm.
ba? I would like to ask him sana, if given a chance kaso nawala na nga bilis-bilis ang press con ano. I would like to ask him, Kuya Dick sana, if, ah, you are wiggling out from the stereotypical madrasta.
Na
Kas
kontrabida.
Oo, kasi 'di ba ang madrasta
The longest
for
time.
the longest time, eh, mala Bella Flores,
Yes.
mala ano, 'di
Oo,
ba?
laging
Laging ano
nagmamaldita,
oo,
nagsasalbahe.
kontrabida,
Oo.
nananakit,
Mm.
nagko-concoct ng mga
Oo,
kasinungalingan, 'di ba?
oo.
Eh, parang in this movie, sa trailer pa lang, parang you have not shown any of that.
Oh, parang
So
siya yung mabuting madrasta.
oo, so is this ano, you broke the ano, the typical ano, madrasta mold?
Oo, the madrasta trope.
Oo, 'di ba?
Oo.
Yun ang question ko dapat sa kanya, eh, kaso I didn't have the time. My
Well,
God.
kasi nga bilis, 'di ba? At
Oo.
ang nag-last question na lagi nanonood ng
Ay,
Weekly Show, ang aming mabuting kaibigan, "Hey, Bobby Rick and Tina of Manila Bulletin."
bigla ako na-insecure. Sabi
'Di
ko sa
ba?
kanya, "Ay, ano ka, nag-final question ka, bigla ako na-insecure." Sabi kong gano'n. Sabi niya, "Alam mo hindi naman kita nakita." I was there ano, hindi mo na
Oo.
ako nakita.
And
Sabi
what I
niya,
love
"Hayaan mo
most
na."
about when I saw the Madrasta cast during the Pulong Balitaan, kitang-kita mo talaga na magkakaibigan si Roderick, si Carmie Martin,
Martin, yeah.
si Tonton Gutierrez, and the two actresses na the one I know is Sunshine and the other one is the new actress whose name, I'm sorry girl, I forgot your name right now.
Oo.
But we are just so very, very happy that napaka-importante ng pelikulang 'to for Roderick Paulate, 'di
And
ba?
for Julius.
And for
Kasi
Julius, Direk
nagbabalik
Julius,
siya,
oo.
Julius Alfonso,
Afonso,
'di
after his
ba?
last movie that I remember is Deadma Walking.
Yeah, oo, 'di
At 'di
ba?
ba, pinalitan pa ni Kuya
How long
Direk
was that? How
December
long
pa
ago was that?
of 4 film fests ago?
4
4 years ago? I'm not sure,
or
basta
5?
5 years ago, basta
Oo.
ang Deadma
Hindi,
Walking
tanong
po
natin kay
oo,
Arnel, charot.
oo. Ito na lang kayo natin kay Rex Tilly.
Aray ko, sumegway. Iba ang segue.
'Di ba? Yun ang
Oo,
segue to
ha?
end all
Diyos ko.
segues, 'di ba? Basta sa akin po, as a backstory, Deadma Walking is the movie na siyang naging dahilan para maging kaibigan namin si Direk Julius Alfonso.
Mm.
Because without him knowing, hindi natin siya kakilala ng personal,
Yeah.
I think nakilala lang natin siya nung press con. When we're able to finally watch the movie, we were so happy sa pelikula.
Deadma Walking starring Joris
Josh Imbawa
Gamboa
and EA
in EA de
Guzman, 'di
Guzman,
ba?
oo.
Nagandahan po kami talaga sa pelikula. And even the producer then,
Hmm.
si Rex Tilly, takang-taka siya na we were not even part of yung mga close sa kanyang mga reporter. And here we are on our own volition,
Mm.
ikaw, ako, the late Arnel Ramos, the
Hmm.
late Ricky Calderon,
And
and Julie
Julie.
Bonifacio.
Yeah.
We were writing about it kasi we just love the movie.
Mm.
And then that triggered a domino effect. Naging kaibigan namin si Rex, naging kaibigan namin si Julius. Kaya po ngayong may bagong pelikula si Julius at this is the last film project ng T-Rex Entertainment bago siya naging creation,
Mm.
we are really supporting the movie. And kasi maganda yung pelikula.
Oo.
Diba? It talks about not just a relationship between a man and another man, but a relationship of a mudrasta sa mga anak na iniwan ng lalaking kanyang minahal.
Oo.
At gusto-gusto ko sinabi ni Kuya Dix during the press con is that makikita sa pelikula talagang nagmamahalan yung character niya at yung character ni
Tonton.
Tonton
Mm.
Gutierrez. Diba? May
Kasi nirelinquish sa kanya yung ano,
yung
eh.
throne
Oo.
na siyang mag-aalaga at mag-aayos ng
Yeah.
assets at ng kanyang mga anak. 'Di ba
Mm.
na siya ang mangangalaga ng kanyang mga anak.
Oo.
That That for me is a very positive statement. So, ngayon pa lang, please again, we are inviting you to watch Mudrasta, which is showing on August 20 in all cinemas nationwide. Ito po si Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring ultra maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Ito po ang Nakiti Show, ang taray na talakayan showbiz edition.